Now the curl of a vector field. Consider that we have a vector. When we take divergence of that, it was found to be 0. This means that the vector doesn't leaving any volume. Maybe it is rotating inside it, maybe clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you want to calculate the rotation of a vector field in a path of a small cube, we can consider that we construct a square in xy plane having side dx dy. Just name every corner a, b, c, d. Let at the center the value of a vector is v. Now along AB we can write that how much vector passing through the line AB is v vector dot AB, or v vector dx I cap we can write, or v cos theta dx, or vx dx, or vx is the component in x. So along BC, now at the point B, the value of vy, component of the vector, component of a vector, the y component of vector is here as del by by del y into del by del x, because AB is here, del x dx, and multiplied by dy. And then along CD is minus vx plus del vx by del y dy, because they actually advance in y direction. So del vx by del y dy dx. Along dA is minus vy dy. So total integration or total vector passing through this cube is given by vx dx plus addition of all these vectors. So vx dx plus vy plus del vy by del x dx dy minus vx plus del vx by del y dy dx minus vy dy, or cancelling this thing term the negative sign, we have del vy by del x minus del vx by del y dy dx. Now we know that dy dx, the surface area have direction perpendicular to the surface area. Now perpendicular to the dy dx, that is xy plane, is k cap. Now we can write that del vy by del x minus del vx by del y k cap dot dy by dx k cap. Similarly in a yz plane, if you construct a square, we have del vz by del y minus del vz by del z I cap dot del y dy dz I cap. In xz plane, del vx by del z minus del vz by del x j cap dot dy dz j cap. Now adding all together, we have del vz by del y minus del vy by del z I cap plus del vx by del z minus del vz by del x j cap plus del vy by del x minus del vx by del y k cap dot ds x I cap plus ds y j cap plus ds z k cap, where ds x is equal to dx dy, dy equal to dz dx, and dz equal to dx dz. Now del cross b equal dot ds we have become. Now putting ds equal to 1 in this, here we have line integral equal to del cross b, or we can write that now the curl is defined as the rotation around a unit cube. Either it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, the direction tells us about it. Now in terms of determinant, del cross b is equal to I cap j cap k cap del by del x del by del y del z del by del z vx vy vz. This is the determinant form of curl. Or just remember this thing, and please make sure to subscribe my channel.